In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to instantly refund money from PayPal. This walkthrough is perfect if you're a seller or freelancer who needs to send money back to a customer quickly and correctly, using PayPal's built-in refund feature. I'll guide you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll feel confident issuing refunds directly from your PayPal account. First, log into your PayPal account using your usual credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, turn your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. There, look for the option labeled Activity. Click on Activity to expand it, and then select All Transactions. This section shows you a complete list of your recent PayPal activity, including payments you've received and invoices you've sent. When the transactions list appears, take a moment to locate the specific invoice or payment that you want to refund. You can scroll through the list, or if you have many transactions, you might find it easier to use the search or filters at the top to narrow things down by date, type, or amount. Once you see the correct transaction, click directly on it to open the details. You'll now be taken to a page with detailed information about that particular invoice or payment. Scroll down through this page, and again, pay close attention to the left side. You should see a section called Invoice Activity. This area shows a timeline of what has happened with that invoice, including when it was created and when it was paid, usually with a timestamp above each event. Look for the entry that shows the invoice as paid. Just under that entry, you'll see two hyperlinks. One of them will say Issue Refund. Click on Issue Refund to move to the refund screen. A new page will open, displaying the refund details. In the field labeled Total Refund Amount, PayPal will automatically fill in the full amount that was billed on that invoice. If you want to issue a partial refund instead of the full amount, you can edit this number and type in the exact amount you'd like to refund. On this same page, you'll also see optional fields where you can add an invoice number reference and a note to the buyer. Adding a short note can help explain the reason for the refund, which is useful for both you and your customer when reviewing records later. After you've double-checked the refund amount and filled in any optional information, go to the bottom left of the page and click the Issue Refund button. The page will reload, and you'll see a confirmation showing the amount you refunded and the recipient's details. At this point, the refund has been processed, and the buyer will be notified by PayPal. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly and accurately refund payments directly through PayPal whenever you need to.